success in 3 words, I would say learning, quality, and communication.
Creation, innovation, and the company culture.
Friendly, innovative, and supportive.
We're basically making a minimum viable product, which is an IoT-based device which has multi-platform applications.
Creating a database for our microgreens system.
The company culture is super awesome.
It's very supportive.
Quite friendly and open.
Learn how to work in a team.
The internship actually really did give me an opportunity to connect with different people.
This was my first internship experience, and I've seen the difference between the university life and the corporate world.
After doing this internship, I feel like that I know more about how to collaborate with the team.
I have overcome my fear of communicating with people.
2 skills that I learned, one is inquisitiveness and another skill, the art of collaboration.
It would be being social, and the second one would be time management.
Networking and effective communication.